in this video, we're going to cover how to install a Facebook pixel onto your sales landing page. Currently, I'm using ClickFunnels. Another great software is Leadpages. I've used that before. I had that for about 12 months. Thought that was really good. I find that ClickFunnels has a better community and a lot more training, so I shifted over. But yeah, all in all, for the basic $100 a month software, it's very similar. So this is a throwaway account, so I'm not going to bother blurring anything because I don't really care if you see the pixel. For privacy reasons, typically if it's ad accounts that I use actively, I will blur them for trainings. So yeah, here we'll just go up to your menu, go all tools, and then pixels and conversions. And then what we do is Facebook pixel, track website activities. So hit get started. And then create. Cool. All right, and then just go manually install pixel code yourself. So it gives you a bit of a rundown as to what it will look like, locate the header code for your website. So if you have a WordPress website and you don't know how to do it, I'd recommend just going to Fiverr and getting someone, a dev, to do it for you. Should only cost like $10 or something. It's pretty quick and easy to do, so they shouldn't charge you too much. So copy the entire pixel code. It actually automatically does it when you click it, which is great. It's a really nice feature that Facebook has included. So now I've copied my base code. I'll go over to my page. So this here, basically, this is a business that I've got. If you're in the B2B space and people are coming to your website or your sales landing page, the software that I use, I install a little bit of code on your website, and then we can actually turn all of your anonymous website visitors into a name and a number. So you can then call them and say, hey, I noticed you were on my website today. Is there anything I can help you with? Any questions you might have about my business? It's fantastic for B2B lead generation, and I've seen it double people's lead gen overnight, simply because if someone comes onto your website and they don't fill in a form, then in essence, unless you've pixeled them, they're lost forever. But yeah, with the software that I use, it does turn anonymous website visitors into leads, which you can then call for sales. So it's really cool. Yeah, if you want to learn more, let me know. But yeah, so what we do is we go to settings, and then we'll go up here to tracking code. I deleted the pixel just before so I could show you what to do. Simply in the header code, you would Control V, or alternatively right click and click paste, and that will then install your base code or paste your base code into it. Then click off and hit save. I'm not going to save that because I've got to put my other pixel back on. And then what we do is we go back to this page and we'll click continue. And then we want to set up events. So for the events, we'll go manually install event code. And then in this case, as you can see, there's a whole bunch, but e-commerce and retail is fine. And then view content. So anytime we run some ads and we want people to see our content, it's view content. So once again, we click this, and then we go settings, tracking code, footer code, and then paste it in there, and then click off and hit save. You have to do both of those, because if you paste it in there, but then you don't hit save and you leave, then it won't work. Just a quick refresher. So once you've done it, you're going to set up. So because I haven't hit save, then it's not picking up that I've actually put it anywhere. But if you ever need to, all right, look, I think I'm going to have to do that. Yeah, do you see how it hasn't saved? All right, so it's probably a good thing that's happened then. So we go copy, tracking code, save, continue, manually install event code, and then once again we'll go view content. Settings, tracking code, footer, view content, click off and hit save. Then we go done. Yeah, all right, there we go, status active. So it's waiting for your first event. So if you ever want to go back later, you go setup and install Pixel, and it'll bring up here.